Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
And by the time she wakes, I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, 'cause she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawn's back. Everything that dies makes its way back. I lost her last July in a heart attack. I need one small victory. Give me my dawn's back. 'Cause everything that dies makes its way on back. I lost her last July in a heart attack. I need one small victory.
This experience was truly amazing. The climb was a bit challenging, but once we reached the top, the view was breathtaking. Seeing the historic bells up close was reminded of the rich history of this place. Overall, it was fun, relaxing, and rewarding adventure that made me appreciate nature even more. So if you're looking for a peaceful getaway or an exciting outdoor activity, Bukagan Hills is a must visit. Whether you like hiking, taking pictures, or just enjoying fresh air, this place has something for you. So grab your friends, explore new places, and make great memories.
And it was my mistake, 'cause she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the